feeling when it stays with me. I know that you don't gotta wait for me. I'm taking it down. What's my name again? Pull up and check my block. It's good then I check the box. I get checked a lot. Check it while you check my spot. You got your shit on me.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, subscribe because you're already here. I look crazy, but we're gonna be filming my foundation routine today. I'm trying to fix this light. So it's on me. But yeah, we're gonna be filming my foundation routine today. I obviously already did my eyeshadow, lashes, and everything. I do my foundation last. I was gonna film a get ready with me, but I started on my eye makeup and forgot, so I'm like, I'm just gonna film my foundation routine. So it is what it is. Okay, so we're gonna get started. I feel like that camera just moved. So for foundation, I make two foundations. See, I like dewy foundation, so wait. Before I even do that, I'm gonna prime, and I use this Milk Hydro Pro Primer. It's a prime. You feel me? I've been using this for a couple weeks now, and it's okay. I have no complaints, but this is what I'm gonna be using. I don't know how much the Milk Hydro primer goes for. Hydro Grip Primer. I don't know. It's called something. Hydro Grip Primer. This is what it looks like. I don't know how much it is. Maybe around $30 or so. But it was recommended to me. That's why I got it, because I need a new primer. So yeah, that's what I've been using. Okay, now back to my foundation. So I like dewy foundations, and I've been using the Bare Minerals foundation, and this is the Bare Pro, and it's dewy. Then I've been mixing it with this Milani 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and this is the color Golden Tan for the Milani, and then this is, I don't know, C-H-A-I, and it's number 26 in the Bare Minerals Bare Pro. So I mixed those two together because they're both dewy, and I feel like together they give me like the perfect color that I need. So I use about a couple squirts of each. I use more of the Milani because it's thicker. You know, we like our thick queens, and I just like mix them together with the end of a brush. Anyways, I'm gonna be using this is, I believe, a Real Technique sponge, and it's damp. Don't know what it's called, but like this is better than, I have a beauty blender, but I like this better. So anyways, I'm just gonna start dabbing that on my face, and when I'm blending, I get like, make sure I get by my ears, like like on the side of it, just because it looks a mess when you're only getting like certain parts of your face. You want everything to be blended in, your neck, everything, honey. And I go under my eyes, but not like all the way under them, because the more product you put under your eye, the more creasy it gets. So you want to like sort of save that for the work of your concealer, you know. Okay, I'm gonna pull this up a little bit so I can get up here, because you know when you be doing your makeup, then you have that line where your makeup just stops at. No. Like, I'm not gonna get all the way up on my forehead, but that's okay, because it'll look better when I like contour it. Because I contour my forehead. Not that it's big, you know, I just contour it. Or is it big? How dewy it is. Like, I love dewy foundations, like matte. Just dries out my face, especially in the winter. Just not for me, no. So for concealer, I've been using this Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I'm just gonna put that under my eyes. You know, make a little triangle. You see that? Like Okay, and then I'm gonna first blend that in with the beauty blender I was using from Real Techniques, I believe. I got it from Walmart, but it's a really good beauty blender. Like I recommend this 10 out of 10 over the Real Beauty Blender. I am gonna go in with my beauty blender after I blend this in a little bit more. So I'm gonna go with my Real Beauty Blender just because it has that point on it, and I really want to get the concealer like into those creases. So I'm gonna go in with that. And I'm just doing with that like directly under my eye, like not, you know, all over there and shit. But after you get that, sorry, it's not focusing. But after you blend that in, you're now gonna set your concealer. I use this translucent powder. Where is it from? I forget. Oh, Laura Mercier translucent powder. But I blended in with this Revolution, and the color is Banana Deep baking powder as well, just to give it like more of my color. Because even when I use like translucent like setting powders, it still looks like white to me, and I'm obviously not white. And it makes it like this, like a darker color. So I'm gonna set that, and to set it I just use a little brush to set it with, and I don't set it much at all. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now to contour, I use this, it's the Warrior palette by Juvia's, something like that. And this is my favorite palette, guys. I love these colors in it. But yeah, I don't contour with cream, I just use powder. And I use, they don't have names to them, but I just use this one over here. But if you don't have this palette, I really recommend it. Like, look at those highlights even. You could tell this, I've been using it. So I'm just gonna contour, you know, my cheeks. I can't get it so you guys can see too. I don't want to mess it up, so you'll see after. But I just sort of zip it on there. I don't use blush because blush doesn't look good on me. So just kind of do this and then highlight. So, and I'll show you guys when I highlight. And then I just use the rest to do like under my chin, my neck area. And then same thing with this side. I know powder makes it look like more, I mean, like if I was to use like a cream or a liquid, it would make it look more precise, but I don't want it to be like super chiseled. I just want to like my cheek area to have some color to it, because like I said, I don't use a blush. So it just gives some color to that area, and it's like a transition from just the foundation color. Okay, and then put the extra here. No, not forehead. That's an important part because it just is. I'm gonna pull that up. You can tell on it. Yeah, you can tell it stops. So contouring my forehead is a big step. And I just sort of pat it on up there. Period poo. And like it just blends right in. Pro tip. I'm gonna dust my setting powder off. I'm using the same brush I used to put it on. And this is a Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush, if you guys were wondering. Probably not, but it is. I have a freaking pimple like right under my eye. But okay. It's not too much essence because I don't put that much on, and most of it sinks in honey, and that's what I wanted to do. Okay, so now that that's done, we are going to highlight. So when I highlight my cheeks, the inner corner, outer corners, inner corner of my eyes, and then like under my brow. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I'm gonna use this little slanty brush to, well, hold on. I'm gonna use my finger first to put my highlight on my cheek, because when I use brushes, I tend to put way too much. And this is the same palette I was using to contour, and I'm using the color in the middle. And I just put it like right here, like under my eye and on top of my contour. Don't worry, we're gonna blend it in. I told y'all I use way too much. That's why I started using my finger, and still I have a heavy hand. It's sad. That was a little bit better. And we're just gonna blend it in. And I'm gonna use the same color for like my inner corners and everything. So now that I like sort of fixed my highlight after my heavy hand, so using the same color. I think I said that. But it's just so all my highlight matches. And plus I can't do the inner corners before I like do my foundation because it looks dumb. So that's that. And I'm just gonna use a random brush to do like right under my eyebrow. Again, the same color. I'm gonna blend it in too. Blend that shit. Pretty much it. I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose. Just a little bit. Okay, now don't really wear lipstick. I just use lip gloss, like a bunch of these Fenty lip glosses. I have Fussy and then Fenty Glow. Fenty Glow is my favorite, but this is Fussy. I'm just gonna use it because it's closer. And put that on my lips. I'm just gonna put this eyeliner pencils from NYX. I'm just gonna put that under my eye. It's like so short, I need to sharpen it. Can you even see? Probably not. Okay, so that's that. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit of mascara. This is from Clinique High Impact Mascara. I only put it on towards the end. And that's that. That's my foundation routine. And to set it, I use, of course, an all-nighter spray. I tried other sprays, but this is just the one that has stuck with me. Always come back to it, so whatever. So that's my foundation routine. When I like get dressed and everything, and have my wig on and look cute, I'll come back and show you guys the final results. And yeah, see in a little bit. Just kidding. All right, y'all. So this is how everything looks with my wig and everything. The sweater, I did not do a oh, y'all can't see all that, but I did not do a video for this sweater. I got it from Rue 21. They should still have them. Just go on their website. I got me and my mom one, but it's super cute. Look at that. Love it. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.